Thank you for purchasing the CRYPTOTAG Hodl Light. In this tutorial, we will explain how to connect and mount the Hodl Light. Before you get started, please read the attached safety instructions. For this tutorial, you need a phone with Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi connection. If you choose to wall mount the Hodl Light, you also need a drill. First, take all the items out of the box. Connect the controller to the Hodl Light. Make sure the arrows on the connectors are aligned. Now, attach the shell to the connectors. Next, connect the power adapter to the controller. Attach the plug of your choice to the power adapter and plug it into the socket. The Hodl Light turns on once the power adapter is plugged in. The next step is to connect the Hodl Light to your phone. First, connect your phone to Wi-Fi and enable Bluetooth. Reset the Hodl Light by pressing the on-off button on the controller. Hold it for 5 seconds. Once the lamp starts to blink, it is ready for pairing. Download the Tuya Smart app on your phone. Open the app and create a free account. Follow the steps in the app and add the device. Once the Hodl Light is connected, the colour of the light can be adjusted. In case you have any troubles connecting the Hodl Light, please visit the troubleshooting page on our website. Before mounting the lamp, disconnect the Hodl Light from the power outlet. The Hodl Light can be mounted in 3 different ways. It can be placed in a stand, mounted on the wall, or it can be hung. The first option is to place the Hodl Light on a stand. Place the Hodl Light in the included stand. Easy peasy. The second option is to mount the Hodl Light on the wall. This mounting advice only applies for a solid concrete wall. Make sure the wall is free of pipes and electricity. Start off by marking 4 drill points. Drill 4 holes in the wall. Press the wall plugs in the holes. Next, open the sign spacers. And screw the sign spacers in the wall plugs. Position the Hodl Light in front of the sign spacers. Turn the caps on the sign spacers to attach the lamp to the wall. The Hodl Light is now mounted on the wall. The third option is to hang the lamp with the metal cords. First, open 2 sign spacers. Position the metal cords in front of the sign spacers. Now close the caps on the sign spacers and hang the Hodl Light to your preference. Now you are all set. Share your light with the rest of the world and tag us on socials.